this video, we will show you how to upgrade the Live Deck. Before upgrading, please ensure that Live Deck has at least 25% power remaining. Power off the remote controller and aircraft. Connect Live Deck and smartphone with a data cable. And open Autel Explorer app. If it prompts for new firmware, then you can download and upload the firmware. After the upgrade, please restart the Live Deck. Thank you for watching.